What's going on, guys? We got Rylan here today. He's here to learn a new trick on the mini ramp. What trick are you gonna learn today, Rylan?
Rock to fakie.
Rock to fakie. All right, now full disclosure, Rylan has done a rock to fakie before, but just when you get those wheels over the top. He hasn't actually rocked it yet. So what do you think you gotta do different today?
Lean in more and then on the not jump off when I come back in.
All right, lean in more, don't jump off. Great tips. Let's get it. This, after a long fought battle, much longer than you thought, Rylan landed rock to fakie. What was the difference?
You just gotta learn speed control when you're coming in, and then also I got to learn to sit quite straight, sit straight while I was coming in.
Nice. I mean, that's, I think, the biggest thing that we saw. Turning the shoulders a little bit. Don't turn your shoulders. Keep them straight. He learned how to control his speed. Sometimes coming off a drop-in, you're going in real hot. He refused to pump up to it, and in the end, didn't matter. He got it. It was awesome. It was amazing. That's what skateboarding's all about. I know Rylan's gonna be out here learning new tricks with us. If you guys learn new tricks, send a video. We'll put a clip of you guys at the end. But another one down today.
Thanks for watching.
Woo! Let's get it! What's going on, guys? We got Rylan here today. And he left. He's gone. He's done. Video's over. Sorry. Perfect! Let's go!